Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about Instagram story like option not showing problem. Do not worry, all Instagram users facing this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available Play Store or app. Tap on hold Instagram. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go to Instagram. Now Instagram like option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.